client just called me. There's a problem with his epoxy. We may need to go and take a look and see what we can do for him and rectify this problem for his toilet. Right, so there's a few main issues in this epoxy floor. Okay, the first one, the most important one, is actually the blockage of the floor trap or the pipe actually. There's epoxy stuck inside the drain also. It's a huge chunk on there. It's gonna cause a lot of problem if the water cannot flow. The entire floor trap will get stuck. See, all these edges is actually not done properly. It's actually coming out of the toilet boundary already, the epoxy. And I doubt there's actually any primer at the bottom. You know, if I would take something to actually apply it out, it can be very easy to remove. Followed up will actually be the epoxy itself, which has all these bubbles, all these streakings. These marks are left by the contractors because I think he dropped something while it is actually drying. I believe it's this one here. Same goes for this. Yeah. And the bubbles here are formed. I think the contractor didn't actually, did a proper job of removing them. That's why there's quite a few here and there. We can see there's a few dimples over here, also caused by dust. I believe the epoxy is also very thin. That's why you can actually see the base of the floor itself. For the pipes, we'll get a plumber to actually remove the choked up portion, and then followed by the epoxy, which will be done by us. Alright, so we'll definitely remove all those defects, and it's going to turn out fantastic.
After 4 days of rectification work, we have finally completed the entire toilet floor and given it a brand new look. Come, let me show you the finished floor. So the first thing when you step into the toilet is that you realize that all the edges has been trimmed very nicely. It's a straight, clean cut. Alright, so whatever clogging of the pipes has already been unclogged, and the previous epoxy that was defective has already been removed, and we've actually applied a fresh new coat of epoxy that was specially designed for my client. So why don't we hear from the owner himself on his new refurbished toilet?
Right, I think the initial one was quite traumatizing. But right now it looks like a brand new toilet, so we are extremely happy with it.
Alright, we have many more upcoming projects for HDB and BTO standard floorings. So if you would like to see more of our videos and more of our content, do subscribe to our channel and we'll see you around.